In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ShareMe App Not Working error on your smartphone. If you are experiencing any issue with your ShareMe app, maybe you can't share files, maybe the app is too slow, or it can't even open, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to fix this, you need to access ShareMe App info page. To do that, go to settings on your phone. And from settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, search for ShareMe, and if I tap on it, now you can see I'm on the app info page. Here, go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and final OK. Finally, clear all data. Once you're done, start your smartphone, and now if you go to your ShareMe app, now it should be working without any issue. You can start sharing files. However, if this didn't work, you need to go to Google Play Store and search for your app and find out if you have any update for your app. One of the reasons you might be encountering this challenge is because you are using an outdated version of ShareMe app. Once you have updated it, now you should be able to open the app and share files without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.